do you become a real estate investor? Well, look, you don't have to be great to start, but you got to start if you want to be great. Now, the best thing you can do is number one, educate yourself. That is a huge foundation, making sure you have some type of knowledge, some type of financial knowledge, because that's huge when you are investing anything, especially your money. Now look, another great thing you really want to think about is your professional network. You want to get connected with other folks that already are in investing, especially if they are doing real estate stuff. Now, also there's different areas of real estate investing. You could be in, the residential investing. You could be in the industrial. You can be in agriculture. You could be in land. There's many different things that you can be involved in. There's development and some other stuff as well. So you really want to think about your niche. What do you want to be involved in when it comes to real estate investing? So something I alluded to a little bit earlier is your financing. You got to know how much money in the bank that you have that you can invest, or if you got to use loans or financing, other people's money. So that's something that you really want to look into, find out what your limit is, find out what you can actually invest in real estate. Because depending on what niche you choose, there are different ranges of expenses and things that you're going to be needing going into that. Something else is when you're setting your goals of why you're getting into real estate investing, you really want to have a foundation and an exit plan. You got to have a business plan from start to finish and give yourself an exit. A lot of people think when you're doing a business plan that you have to have everything dialed in on how you can perpetually keep that business rolling for eternity. However, a lot of smart real estate investors have an exit plan. So get in the game, make your money, and get out and move on to something bigger and better. All right, look, when you're identifying your potential properties that you want to invest in, of course, you got to do your due diligence. And this is why you need a professional network. You need contractors, engineers, architects, land use planners, and of course, real estate agents, because these types of folks are able to get in and do a deeper dive to give you a better idea of what the numbers are going to cost you when you're putting your money into it, and you at the end of the day want to get a great return on investment. So you got to make sure that you have a vast network of professionals. Do your due diligence. Make sure when you're looking into this property, the types that you're going to be investing in, that it makes sense, the numbers add up, you got your exit plan, and you can make your money. All right, look, so once you got all these other things lined up, really you want to think about the way you are going to systemize and manage your real estate portfolio. As federal and state laws and regulations change rapidly, you want to make sure that you stay on top of all the changes, so that way you are continually getting a return on investment. And you really want to continue to learn. It's just like any other industry. Want to continue to learn, continue to improve your systems in ways that way you can maximize your real estate portfolio and of course your assets, so that way you're making more money at the end of the day. So look, these are some of the ways that you can become a real estate investor. There are many layers to doing real estate investing, and this is just at the very top. We can always take a deeper dive. You can make sure you can reach out to me, drop a comment, and let me know if there's something else that you were thinking that could be a great avenue, or if you have any type of questions, you know how to get in touch with me. And make sure you smash that like button and make sure you ring that bell, baby, because I'm trying to help this channel grow and I need y'all help. I appreciate y'all for staying tuned. I'll catch you next time.